Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going for another ride test on DYU R1, the new bicycle I got for city riding, and I'm taking it to the beach, Santa Monica. It should be about 70 degrees, which is nice, and it's the first time I'm taking this bicycle for a longer ride, and I want to test the battery to see how long the battery will last. Because this is a unique bicycle. It's a city bicycle. It's not like not like traditional regular bicycle. It's like between 20-inch wheels, make it more stable than D.C.Motor Pro. At the same time, you get more workout on this bicycle because you got a torque sensor without road. So you have no road on this bicycle, but no speed changing. Only the speed change can be in gear, which will increase assist level. So we'll see. This bicycle can go about 26 kilometers, 27 kilometers, depend how fast you pedal. But this bicycle will not ride without pedaling. So basically you have to pedal, and that's the reason I'm taking this bicycle outside today for a test ride. I want to get some exercise, just a little bit, better than the gym. And the weather looks beautiful today. I'll show you. So I'm just driving the canyon right now. As you can see, a lot of beautiful clouds, and it should be as beautiful at the beach. So don't forget, hit subscribe and like my video, and I'll see you at the Santa Monica. So see you later. Alright, so it's actually warmer than I thought. Feels like about 70 plus, so I just wear a t-shirt. It's good. The weather is beautiful, a little bit overcast, but not a lot. A lot of people today, as today is Sunday. But it's a great bicycle. It's not that fast, so it's pretty safe to ride along the beach. Just for the record, right now it's only 1 mile on odometer. So the benefit so far of this bicycle is lightweight, number one, and then you don't really feel like it's a foldable handlebar, the handlebar, because it's pretty steady actually. It's stay really good, so it's not shaking, nothing, so it's good. There is no throat, as you can see, most likely no throat. No thumb throat, no throat at all. Just to make sure you guys understand, there's no throat on this bicycle. This bicycle completely work while you're pedaling. So if you're not pedaling, eventually will stop. You have no throat, but pedaling is pretty nice. It gives you good assist, depending on the level. Right now I'm riding on level number 2. And it's about 12 miles an hour. I don't really need faster because too many people here, but it's pretty nice. It's still giving me nice pedaling, and if you change to faster speed, it will ride much faster, but you have to pedal it. It will give you assist, but you have to pedal. As soon as you stop pedaling, you will feel like there's no assist. So if you need assist, you pedal it. The speed I'm going now about between 12 to 15 miles. Okay. It's pretty smooth ride on the flat surface. on the beach, so it's a perfect speed for the beach, I guess, because the sand and stuff, you don't want to go any faster. Less risk to fall. And the 20-inch tires, wheels makes a big difference. It's more stable, easy to control the bicycle, much better than Jet Bolt Pro. You have more control on it. So it accelerates pretty well on level 3, give you good acceleration. You can feel actually your front fork lifted up a little bit when you do the acceleration. So it gives you good, wow, it does give you good acceleration. And very soft, but you can feel it. Even 60 miles an hour, but nicely. How crazy is that? Welcome to Santa Monica. And here's the Santa Monica Piers. A lot of people. And I'll go to Venice now. The battery is still full, actually 4 bars now. I'll turn light on. Now it's a 5 bar, I guess, 4 bars. Okay, I'm in the area of Muscle Beach. A lot of photo shoot and some video recording over here. Not sure. So I decided to give a little bit different riding experience over the wood and see how it will handle. So far so good. The suspension is pretty soft, but it does not have any much traveling. It's only like 1 inch travel in the suspension, so it's basically really basic suspension, just for you to know. Nothing special about them, but I decided to take some pictures close to the beach as sunset is coming, and so far it looks so beautiful. Over here it's more sand, so it's more dangerous actually to go faster because it's easy to slip on this bicycle most likely, and a lot of trash because a lot of homeless here. I'm at Venice Beach now. Welcome to Venice Beach. So far it's great. The experience is good for the beach riding. The sunset almost there. It's about 5 o'clock Pacific time, and I don't see any tsunami because yesterday was tsunami warning. And I'm going back right now, so the ride today will be about 12 miles, and see if it lasts for another 6 miles. If it's not dark yet, I will ride longer, so let's go for more ride. So the Venice beach looks beautiful as always, a lot of people and beautiful sunset. So I decided to go back before it got very dark, and actually the darkness caught on me, and it was kind of dark, but luckily I have a headlight which was very helpful. And this bicycle comes with a bright headlight and also tail lights which work as a brake light as well, and everything integrated in this bicycle. And many bikes comes with a light, but some of them not as bright for this bicycle type and this type of price range. Usually it's not as bright, and also it does not usually come with integrated tail light, so it's pretty good. So from my first experience on this bicycle, riding on the beach, it's a lot of fun. It gives you some workout more than other bicycle, because this bicycle comes with a torque sensor and there's no throat in it, so basically you have to pedal all the time in order for the bicycle to move. It does give you some assistance, and you can change gear, as I said before, from 1 to 3 or even 0. With 0 you would have to pedal 100%, because there will be no taking any electricity out of the battery, and it can last for a long time. And I used gear 3 or 2, depends on the road conditions, because I couldn't ride that fast all the time. But I can tell that it's a lot of fun, and this bicycle is pretty stable on the road. Good handling, I can say, better than with the smaller wheels, of course. And my GoPro about to die, but I want to show how many miles I rode at the beach, and then I'll take you for the ride the next day. So I made it 14 miles total, and 13 miles on the beach riding, so on the speed 2 and 3. Alright guys, so I'm back to the city, and now I'm going to the store to buy something. At the same time I want to just use this bicycle in order to drain the battery, to see how many miles I can get on one charge. I rode at Santa Monica for about 13 miles almost, and total it's already 14 on odometer, as you can see in this picture I just took. So now it's almost 1.5 mile round trip to the store, and I'll try to ride today to see if I can drain the battery. But so far so good. The battery lasts already 14 miles, which is not bad, and it's a pedal assist only, because there's no throat. As a reminder, there's no throat, no thumbs, no twist, no throat at all. Only torque sensor which trigger the assist, and depending on the level of assist you select the gear, it will give you higher speed. So right now I'm riding on the speed number 2, and it gave me about 13 miles an hour. And you have to pedal in order to ride, I guess. It's just a regular bicycle, but with some assist. So far I like it. It's not for mountains or any like off-road, but for the city or the beach ride it's very nice. Very light bicycle compared to other.
You have a copy. Scan it now.
So now it's 3 bar again. So it's not 100% accurate at all. Most of this bike with the bars, they're not accurate. So that's why I want to ride until the battery completely dead. The battery start to blink, so it means it's about to die. And I'm gonna go for more ride until it completely dead. So now I'm going about 9 miles an hour as a high speed on pedal assist. I can hear the motor still working. That's why I'm trying just to leave it as is until it completely dead. I'm not trying to help to pedal it much. Alright, so I get home. I got 21 miles out of this battery, and I weighed over 210 pounds, and I rode at the beach with a little bit not inflated tires. So if you put more air in your tires, you might get better result. The light's still on, which is great. As you can see, the tail light and the front light still on. If you're lighter person than me, you might get much better mileage. And if you're riding with more pressure, you put more pressure in your tires, you'll get better mileage as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. I think it's a great bicycle. It's a great technology with no throat. It's no problem to ride. I like it, and I probably will take more to the beach. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and like it, and I'll see you in the next video.